Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show price with text and without text in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page. Now you see product price. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. Then you see text tab. So again click on it. Now scroll down. You see price display suffix. So now add this text price underscore including underscore text. Now you see question mark and you see one of the following price including text or price excluding text. So we added price including text and then click on save changes. Now settings saved and scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see class ex hyphen text and then you see class include hyphen text. If you want you can add some styling for excluding text price or for including text price. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see price, refresh the page. Now you see product price excluding tax 100 and now you see including tax 120. Now without tax 100 and with tax 120 price for this product. Now open shop page, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see excluding tax including tax price. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.